Hello, friends. Welcome to the farm. Let's learn about farming and animals. This is a tractor. Farmers use tractors to work on the farm. Tall corn, big pumpkin. This is a cow. Let's dance and remember. Tractor, corn, pumpkin, cow. This is a lamb field. Lambs live on the farm. This is a donkey. The donkey lives on the farm. This is a horse. The horse lives on the farm.
This is a goose. The goose lives by the lake.
Farmers mow the field. Mowing the grass keeps the farm neat. The grass can be used to feed farm animals. All farmers plant seeds. They prepare the field. This is called plotting or plowing. After the field is plowed, farmers plant seeds. They use a seed drill to place seeds evenly in the soil. Help the crops grow. The farmer sprays fertilizer on the field. Fertilizer helps plants grow strong and healthy. The harvester collects the plants from the crops. The harvester collects the plants from the fields.
After harvesting, farmers move the crops. The tractor takes the crops to the crop store.
The farm work is done for today. Farmers worked hard to grow our food. Thank you for visiting the farm. On the farm, we work and play all day. Tractors roll and seeds are sown. Growing food along the dance. On the farm, clap your hands with me. Stomp your feet, spin around, happy as can be. I'll plow the soil, plant the seeds. Water helps them grow. Spray with care and harvest crops. Now the fields all glow. Songs on the farm. Dance, dance on the farm. Move just like the crew. Farmers work and animals play. We dance with me and you. Bye bye farm, see you soon. Thanks for food today. Clap, clap, wave goodbye. Hip hooray, hip hooray.